Creating a webinar used to mean juggling a bunch of different tools, but not anymore. AI is now built right into WebinarGeek, meaning the whole process from a blank page to a finished promoted webinar now happens in one single spot. In this video, we'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Start with your outline. Every good webinar starts with a clear outline. Pick your favorite AI tool, give it your topic and let it draft the full webinar structure with key points, the flow and takeaways. Instead of spending an entire day figuring this out, it now only takes a few minutes. Step 2. Build your slides. Next, turn that outline into slides. Open an AI design tool, choose a template that fits your subject and add the outline directly. A few adjustments here and there and your presentation looks polished and on brand. Step 3. Set up your webinar and sharpen it with content tips. Now over to WebinarGeek, where everything comes together. Create your webinar in just a few clicks and upload your slides. Before you publish, use the built-in content tips. AI suggests a stronger title and a sharper description made to increase signups. Apply the suggestion that fits and your registration page is ready to go. Step 4. Go live with the AI assistant. Live captions that translate automatically make your webinar easier to follow in every language. And the AI assistant sits right beside you. Powered by your own webinar content, it can automatically answer attendee questions. This way, you only have to stay focused on presenting while it handles the rest. Step 5. Let AI handle the follow-up. When the webinar ends, AI is still working. Automatic chapters are added to the replay so viewers can jump straight to the parts that matter to them. Performance analysis gives you a clear AI-generated summary of results and engagement and practical tips to improve your next webinar. Step 6. Promote it. Use that AI-generated summary and transcript to spin up a LinkedIn post, an email invite or a blog. And because AI already highlighted the best moments, it's easy to know which parts to promote. And that's the full workflow. From a blank page to a live, captioned, analyzed and promoted webinar. Most of it inside WebinarGeek itself. Try WebinarGeek for free and see how easy it is to create your next webinar.